What's the meaning of cryogen? Cryogen. Cryogen.
Cryogen. Cryogen. The term cryogen refers to a substance or gas that is used for producing very low temperatures, often below -150 degrees Celsius. Cryogenic temperatures are used for various industrial, medical and scientific applications such as preserving biological materials, superconducting magnets, and rocket fuel. When a material is exposed to cryogenic temperatures, its properties can change significantly. For example, some materials become brittle and may break easily if subjected to mechanical stress. Conversely, other materials become more flexible at low temperatures. Overall, the use of cryogenic technology has enabled many important advancements in modern science and engineering.